Hello again. Today we will learn about linking sounds. Now let's start with consonant and vowel. 1. My watch is broken. 2. She loves a good book. 3. The door is open. 4. By apples of the bush stand. 5. Have a swim in the pool. 6. Let's start again. And now, busy. Work on day, run away. Botany can't the queen, Philly cup, dinky top, wet the white, what can I, meet the jet, don't be late. And now, consonant and consonant. Good girl, she's a good girl. Good boy, he's a good boy. Watch paper, I only watch paper. Speed the boat, I've never been in speedboat. Sorry, speed the boat. I've never been in speedboat. And now, vowel and vowel. Me and you, three or four. The end. You and me. Two, two or three. Go aside. So go aside.